Hey everybody, John Steyer Flooring, and this is how you end a week. Let me show you. Biggity bam. Bedroom drop. I mean, the only thing that would make this better is if this was on wood, not concrete. But this is all I got today, like a 12 by 14 bedroom here all day. So right now, I got my tack strip laid out. I'm gonna go ahead, cut in tack strip, nail it down. I also go back and I drill it in with an aluminum drive. We're going to put a piece of Z-bar right there. I might even make it a little long because they're talking about replacing that carpet out in their hallway pretty soon. So if that's the case and we do stretched in carpet, if I have the carpet long there, I have nice material to cut and put a seam to, which I prefer in a doorway, to seam on that material and stretch out of that door. But we're gonna get some tack strip put in and we'll check in with you soon. Boom, tack strips installed, cushions installed. Just drug my piece of carpet in here. We're good to go. This is what I was talking about, guys. I like to use some aluminum drives, put my tack strip in. So we're putting in 65 ounce carpet. Everything I sell is 65 ounce anymore. Heavy. But I like this piece actually, nice and dark. I actually have this piece in my showroom. And the reason is I like to show that this piece, I'll let people walk in with muddy shoes, muddy boots, don't care. Walk across it and then I just vacuum it right up once it dries. So just like to show this piece as kind of your lower maintenance carpet. Well, just like that, biggity bam, we're done, stretched in. Doors, unfortunately, are a little tight, and I don't have my saw with me today. I can't believe that. Kind of bummed because it's not in the van, I don't know where it's at, but look good, feel good. Back to the basics, bedrooms.